A very good morning. Hope you're doing well on this Tuesday. Nice out there at 60 in Vero Beach, 64 in Stuart. In contrast, around Palm Beach County, a few mid-level clouds. So we're capped in the mid-70s, but pleasant, dry across the board. No real chances of rain today. As you can see with our day planner, a mix of sun and clouds throughout. A high in the low 80s later this afternoon under the presence of east winds at about, say, 5 to 15 miles an hour as we head throughout the day. Really windy, though, as we head throughout Wednesday and Thursday. Blustery, in fact, with up to 25 to 30 mile an hour wind gust. And then we'll taper things off just in time for your weekend. Never too early to check this out. And so if you're having big plans for this last weekend of October, 83 Saturday with sun, 84 Sunday, lows in the mid 70s, and just about a 20% chance of a quick moving shower. Make it a great Tuesday.